Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to twirl parts of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on face or reshape, sorry, down below, and after that press on twirl. And here you can just select an area which you want to twirl, and after that press on brush and select the exact size of the brush, um, basically to twirl that aura entirely. Now press on effect and swipe to the left or to the right, and you will be able to twirl that entire brush aura that you have previously selected. And that's pretty much it, really. After that you can basically save the picture or discard it depending what you want to do with it. It's important to say that you can do multiple twirls in the same picture, so you can do it many times until you reach the required effect that you want. After that you can go back and save it if you want to. So that's pretty much it, really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.